So this netball fire, it not cool. It can't cool. Madam President Dr. Paula Daly Morris stoked the fire some more after the Barbados series. Listen this.
They are still in the conditioning phase. They're really not match ready, but we wanted to help Barbados, and so we agreed to doing this test. So this was more about Barbados than us. We're trying not to be selfish. We want Barbados to be in the Commonwealth Games.
Hold on. Say it again, President. You're right. Say it again.
They're really not match ready, but we wanted to help Barbados, and so we agreed to doing this test. So this was more about Barbados than us. We're trying not to be selfish. We want Barbados to be in the Commonwealth Games.
The same netball administration, led by Dr. Paula Daly Morris, has the audacity to say the media treat them unfairly and that we manufacture controversy and blah, blah, blah. But, Madam President, how can you be taking up an international netball assignment in the interest of your opponents? Jamaica decided to play host to Barbados at the detriment of Jamaica and to the benefit of Barbados? Me don't understand that. Madam President, if this was the free market and the real world, you'd have get fired. And the next fundamental thing that Madam President is missing, to say Jamaica is not being selfish in helping out Barbados, that's another travesty. We need to be selfish in this cruel and ungrateful results-oriented business of sports. You need to get with the program and get selfish, Madam President. There are 3 things that count in sports. 3 things. Winning, winning, and winning. And speaking of winning, Madam President, between me and you need a netball coach. You need a netball coach. Training Mrs. McCracken to the Swimming Association and get a real netball coach.
And a real netball president.
All right.